Hello all, welcome to session 47 of Selenium Python training series. In this session, I'm going to practically demonstrate different logical operators in Python. So let's get started. In Python, there are three different logical operators, that is AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. Let me now practically demonstrate all these three logical operators. For that, let me launch PyCharm. In the sample Python file, I'll be creating 4 different variables, and to each of these variables, I'll be assigning some Boolean values. Say A is equal to true, then B is equal to, I'll assign false, C is equal to true, D is equal to false. Now, I'll be writing print statements, and inside the print statements, I'll be using these logical operators. So I'll be writing like this, A and B. Okay, here AND is a logical operator. AND is one of the logical operators. As you can see here, AND is one of the logical operators. So A is holding true, guys, whereas B is holding false. If one of the, if one of the operand, here A and B are the operands, AND is the operator, right? So if one of the operands on any of the sides of this logical AND operator is false, then the result will be false. Okay, the result will be false. Here A is true, but B is false. Since B is false, the complete result of this operation is false. Now, if I say print A and, A and C. A is true, C is also true. Both the sides are true. Then only it will be true, guys. Okay. In case of logical AND operator, if both the sides are true, then only true. If any of the sides are false, the result will be false. Now, if I take another example, print D and A. Here, this side is true, right? Here, this side is true, but this side D is false. False and true is false. If any of the sides is false, it will be false only. The result will be false. Now, print B and D. Here, both the sides are false. B is false and D is also false. Then, obviously, the result will be false. This is how the logical AND operator will work. Okay, only when both the sides are true, the result will be true. If any of the sides has a value as false, the result will be false. Fine. Similarly, we have another logical operator, that is OR. Let me show you. Print A or B, then print A or C, then print D or A, then print B or D. So A or B, if any of the sides is true, the result will be true, guys. In case of logical OR operator, if any of the sides is true, it will be true. Okay. So here A is true, but B is false. But any of the side is true, then the result will be true. In case of logical OR operator, here A or C. A is true, C is also true. So obviously true. Here D or A. D is false, A is true. So it will be true. If any of the sides is true, then the result will be true, guys. Here B or D. B is false, D is false. None of these operands have the value stored as true. So the result will be false. Fine, this is how the logical OR operator works. Now the next logical operator is NOT operator. If I say print not of A, okay, so the opposite of true is what? In the variable A, true Boolean value is stored. The opposite of true is false. So the result will be not of true is false. If I say print not of B, here B is holding false. The opposite of false is not of false is nothing but true. Simple, guys. These are the different logical operators in Python. Now let me run the code and see whether we got the same expected results. So when I run the code, you see this is the output. First one is false, true, false, 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 true, false, false. This is correct. Then true, 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 false, true, 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 false, and finally false and true, false and true. So hope guys you understood how to use different logical operators in Python. So that's it guys. Thank you. Bye.